Did you know that people who eat mostly plants can cut their risk of heart disease by up to 32%? Or that a plant-based diet may help reverse type 2 diabetes in some cases? These aren't just wellness trends. They're real results backed by science. Plant-based nutrition isn't about becoming a strict vegan overnight. It's about giving your body more of what it actually needs. Real food from the earth. And once you start, you might just feel better than you have in years. In today's video, we're going deep into the world of plant-based nutrition, what it really is, why it matters, and how it could completely change your life. If you've ever wondered things like, is plant-based eating just a fad? Can I still get enough protein without meat? Will I actually feel different if I switch? You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know the facts. You'll have a clearer understanding of how plant-based foods affect both your mind and body. And more importantly, you'll know whether this lifestyle is something you want to explore. Because your health is your power. And the food you eat, it's the fuel that runs everything. Let's be honest, most people today don't feel great. They feel tired, sluggish, stressed, and way too many are living with serious health issues that just won't go away. The real problem with the standard diet. The typical modern diet is packed with processed foods, sugary drinks, fried snacks, way too much salt, fat, and added sugar. Even meals that look healthy at first glance can be full of hidden ingredients your body doesn't need. And over time, this kind of eating takes a toll. What are the consequences? Let's look at what the research says. More than 40% of adults in the US are obese. About 1 in 3 people have high blood pressure. Rates of type 2 diabetes continue to rise every year. And heart disease, it's still the #1 killer worldwide. But here's the twist. Many of these conditions are preventable, and in some cases, even reversible. The problem isn't just the food itself. It's the idea that health is out of our control, that we're stuck with whatever our genetics gave us. But science says otherwise. You may have heard that saying before, and it's true, you might be born with a certain risk for disease, but how you eat, move, and live can turn those genes on or off. That means your daily food choices can be powerful tools or dangerous triggers. So what can we do about it? That's where plant-based nutrition comes in, not as a strict rule book, not as a diet trend, but as a smarter way to fuel your body with real healing foods. In the next section, we'll explore exactly what plant-based nutrition looks like and how it can help you take control of your health, starting today. Ready? Let's get into it. So what exactly is plant-based nutrition? It's not just eating salads and skipping meat. It's a whole approach to food centered around real, whole, plant-powered ingredients. Let's break it down in a way that's simple and practical. What counts as plant-based? A plant-based diet focuses mainly on vegetables, leafy greens, carrots, broccoli, and more. Fruits, from berries and apples to bananas and mangoes. Whole grains, like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. Healthy oils, such as olive oil and avocado. Some people include small amounts of animal products, like eggs or fish, while others go fully vegan. The key is that most of your plate is filled with plants, not processed foods. What are the benefits for your mind? Plant-based nutrition doesn't just help your body, it helps your brain too. Studies show that people who eat more fruits and veggies tend to have better mood and emotional balance. reduced risk of depression and anxiety, clearer thinking and less brain fog, a lower chance of memory decline as they age. How? Because plant foods are full of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which support brain health. Some even call it nutritional therapy, because what you eat can literally shift how you feel every day. What are the benefits for your body? Here's where things get really exciting. A balanced plant-based diet has been shown to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, help with healthy weight loss, improve blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, boost your immune system, reduce chronic inflammation in the body, and because plant-based meals are usually lower in calories and higher in fiber, you tend to feel fuller for longer without overeating. Can you still get enough protein? Absolutely. You can get plenty of protein from lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, tofu and tempeh, peanut butter and almond butter, even vegetables like spinach and broccoli. It's a common myth that you need meat to build strength or stay full, but science says otherwise. As long as you're eating a variety of whole foods, you're likely getting all the protein you need. What about flavor? Plant-based doesn't mean boring. You can enjoy spices like turmeric, garlic, and chili powder, flavorful sauces made from nuts or seeds, roasted veggies with herbs, fresh, colorful smoothies, warm soups packed with lentils and spices. Eating this way isn't just healthy. It can actually be fun, creative, and deeply satisfying. So, now that you understand the power of plant-based nutrition, let's move into the next part, where you'll hear the story of someone whose health turned around completely because of this lifestyle. And it just might inspire you to try it yourself. Meet Linda. She's 62, a retired teacher, and she used to think her health issues were just part of getting older. She struggled with constant fatigue, high blood pressure, joint pain that made it hard to walk, and a stubborn 20 pounds she just couldn't lose. Her doctor suggested more medications, but Linda didn't want more pills. She wanted a real solution. Then she heard about plant-based eating. At first, she was skeptical. Could food really make that big of a difference? But she decided to try it, just for 30 days. What changed for Linda? She started eating oatmeal with berries and chia seeds for breakfast, colorful veggie stir-fries for lunch, lentil soups and leafy salads for dinner, and healthy snacks like almonds, hummus, and fruit in between. She focused on whole foods. Nothing fancy, just real food from plants. After 2 weeks, she noticed something. Her energy was back, her digestion improved, and the joint pain nearly gone. By the end of the month, she had lost 10 pounds. Her blood pressure dropped to a healthy range, and she was walking every morning with a smile on her face. Her doctor was shocked and told her to keep doing whatever she was doing. The power of everyday choices. Linda didn't follow a strict plan. She didn't count every calorie. She just gave her body what it needed, and her body responded. That's the secret no one tells you. Your body wants to heal, and when you feed it the right way, with real nutrient-rich food, it often does. Real results backed by science. Linda's story isn't rare. Thousands of people have reversed or reduced symptoms of type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, autoimmune conditions, and even early stages of heart disease, all by making the simple but powerful shift to eating mostly plants. It's not magic, it's nutrition, and it's available to anyone at any age. So let's take a moment to recap what we've covered. Plant-based nutrition isn't a diet trend. It's a way of living and eating that puts your health first. And as you've seen, it's not about giving things up. It's about adding more of the good stuff your body craves. Here's what you learned today. A plant-based lifestyle is built on whole natural food like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. It boosts both your mental clarity and your physical energy. It's not all or nothing. Even small changes can make a big difference. And real people like Linda have seen life-changing results just by making the switch. You now understand that what you eat every day isn't just fuel, it's information. Your body responds to that information in powerful ways. It's never too late to start eating in a way that supports healing, strength, and vitality, no matter your age or current condition. There's no one perfect way to eat, but plant-based nutrition gives you a solid foundation to build a healthier, more vibrant life. Whether you're ready to go 100% plant-based or just want to add more whole foods to your meals, every step counts. Your journey is yours, and you don't have to do it all at once. Now that you've discovered the powerful benefits of plant-based nutrition, we want to hear from you. Have you tried adding more plant-based meals to your routine? What foods have made a difference in how you feel? Got a favorite veggie-packed recipe? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Your experience might just inspire someone else to take that first step. And if you're curious to learn more, check out our other videos all about healthy eating, healing foods, and lifestyle tips that actually work. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to go deeper, we've got you covered. Remember, small changes lead to big results. And the food you choose every day can be one of the most powerful tools for a healthier, brighter future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful health tips, straight to the point and easy to follow. See you in the next video.